Start with a magic circle and chain 2. Now make 4 double crochets in this circle. One picot stitch, chain 3 and insert your hook into this bottom stitch, this one, and insert it in both the loops and make a slip stitch. That's one picot stitch made. Now make 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the magic circle. Now pull this yarn in to close the gap. That's one petal made. Now chain 3. Turn your work like this. Now we'll be working into this chain 3 space. Make 4 double crochets into this chain 3 space. One chain 3 picot, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into this bottom stitch. Both the loops, make a slip stitch and 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the same space. Chain 3, turn your project like this, start working into the chain 3 space, 4 double crochets, one chain 3 picot, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. And 3 more double crochets into the same space. Chain 3, make a slip stitch into the same space. Chain 3, turn your work. Now keep repeating this pattern until it's around 9 to 10 inches in size and start working into the chain 3 space, 4 double crochets, chain 3 picot, three double crochets into the same space, chain 3 and finally a slip stitch into the same space. This is how the pattern will look. You can leave this tail end as it is, or else you can use any beads to decorate it. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.